Alright, so it's Saturday. My man's Chris is gonna go pick up a new project. It's an EG. It's a teal color hatch. Wait for the guy to give us the address. Oh yeah, what is that? I said it's a hatch?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a coupe. About to go on the CRV. Come back, wash the Civic for tomorrow March Madness. Gotta do oil change and everything. But this guy's taking forever to give us his address. Or to even pick up. Guys, listen. It's been like 3 hours. This guy was sleeping. I took a whole nap in the car. 3 hours later, we're on the road to go look at this car. If this car is junk, I'm never coming. Oh, hold on. I'm getting a phone call. I'm getting a phone call from Ludacris.
Luda! Oh, I don't come. Yo!
Luda!
Yo, let me tell y'all something. The vlog is on?
Yeah, the vlog is on, yeah.
Let me tell y'all something. Built to enjoy. We only getting bigger. Feel me? But we be right here looking at stores. Steven finna make it. We about to buy this store right here.
Yeah.
Make it up. Feel me? Built to enjoy taking over.
Yeah, but where you had at? Where you had at though?
Yo, listen. You can see that tomorrow. Don't worry about it. Built to enjoy gonna be bigger than coronavirus.
Yo, I'm out.
Yo, be sick.
Bro, go look at my story.
I know, I saw.
The one when I was running.
Yeah, I saw.
Bro, that shit had me in tears, man. Alright, back to the vlog. So we on our way right now to go see this car. Yo, this guy right here, he sort of got the symptoms right here. I don't know what to do right now. Yeah, your body sore?
Nah, my body.
Are you fatigued? Are you good?
Nah, I'm good.
Have you traveled anywhere out of the country?
I just came back from China not too long ago.
Oh, no, I'm out. Fuck that. No check engine light, a single cam stick. He don't know how to drive stick, so I'm gonna drive it back, and I guess he gonna learn, and I'm gonna just show him how to drive stick, and he'll learn in like probably what?
Nah, I know how to drive stick.
He know how to drive stick through YouTube.
Facts. I seen a couple YouTube videos. Feel me?
So I'll probably teach him in like my girl learned in 30 minutes, so he should learn in like 30 minutes. Cause if she learn how to drive stick faster than you,
that's sad.
GG.
We gonna make a video like Zaj. It's for nephew. I'm nephew.
Nah, you about to be worse than that. But yeah, so we're about to go look at it. I didn't even go get a haircut because of this coronavirus. I didn't even want to be standing next to nobody. And my man's right here he sort of got some symptoms. I'm gonna put, if I remember, I'll put the clip from Instagram that I did a funny skit on here if I remember. Yo, this guy right here, he sort of got the symptoms right here. I don't know what to do right now. Yeah, your body sore?
Nah, my body.
Are you fatigued? Are you good?
Nah, I'm good.
Have you traveled anywhere out of the country?
I just came back from China not too long ago.
Oh, no, I'm out. Fuck that. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Hopefully I can pull out the camera and this guy doesn't feel weird. What do you think? You don't feel weird? Alright, we're here. They got some RPF ones. The RPF ones cost more than the car, so you good. Nah, those are expensive wheels. Really expensive wheels. You don't want them, you already know.
Yo, I left you sleep.
Oh, she is.
Oh, shit.
Probably cut springs, that's why. And you go, these parts, you could just, go on Facebook and see who's parting one out. So you still need a lip regardless. Oh, this was Kirby's OD though, see what I'm saying?
Got B-Series shift linkage with short shifter in there. Got the Fat Fives in there. There's more shit back there.
Alright, listen.
There's a flywheel in the back right here on the floor.
She got a whole bunch of. She got a whole bunch of shit.
This is the noise shit with that door. Is it? Yeah, you gotta open the lock and pull the lock. But I'm literally finishing that to bring this shit to Jeff back again, bro. I gotta finish this fucking.
Oh yeah, I forgot I gotta bring it on back.
Yeah. I wanna fucking warm that bitch up. Got a short shifter in it. Got a fucking.
You could probably fix this though. Yeah?
That fucking piece right there is the oh, I didn't even see that shit.
What is that rag I had? Check the cooling system. Smoking. I think there's an exhaust leak somewhere in this car. I can smell the oil. Yeah, I don't know, man. Definitely not 1,500 though for this though. I think like 1,200 because you got to put the work into it.
Oh dear.
Because if you got to do the head gasket, it's gonna be probably like, I don't know. My boy charged my cousin like I think $250. Him buying the head gasket and everything. He did it in like 2 hours.
You can smell that smoke.
Cause it has, you know what it is? Look, it's smoking right now. The thing is, it's smoking back there, and it's like if it has an exhaust leak through here somewhere.
Scraping.
That's not the car scraping. That was the car scraping.
Yeah.
We gotta pick this shit up. Shit, mad low, bro. Smoking a lot. I don't know, man. I don't know if it's worth it. This thing is smoking a lot. And then there's a project call, and I know we could fix it, but still. Gas it some more. Definitely smoking a lot. Alright, so the car is smoking. We're gonna offer him, you know, way less than what he's asking for, because it's not worth it. The car needs a head gasket. My boy could do the head gasket for him for like $250, and it needs a throw bearing also, so it's definitely not worth what he wants. So we're gonna see what he takes for it. If he doesn't, then yeah, we'll just keep it moving, you know. The car definitely has potential. We'll see. Alright, so we ended up not taking it. It wasn't worth it for the price. We could save more and get something OEM clean. I mean, that one's OEM, but it had too much issues. It needed a head gasket, throw bearing. I just saw it needed a headlight. Needed to put the back coils on. The back caseboard coils weren't on. What else?
The rust on the two sides.
Yeah, it had a little bit of rust on the two sides. It needed 2 fenders. I had an exhaust leak also. So you wanted, we tried to give him $1,000 for it, but he wouldn't do it. So $1,300 was too much. To save up some more and get something else.
Facts.
Even though EGs they're getting so expensive now. Like, a clean EG will run you like $2,500, $2,700, which is crazy. It's just because It's hard to find these cars in good condition now. This is like, what is this? This is like a week later. We're about to get a mint EK. Hold on. And he watches the video too. But look at the shifter. This shit is like a soft dick.
Yeah.
But you gotta like, oh, I don't even think it's a gear. Like, yeah, I think it needs some shift linkage bushings for sure. Yeah, cause this shit, you gotta like, nah, but that drives good. Not mad at all. Stock, completely stock too, stock suspension. It just needs a shifter real bad, like super bad.
Like I said, real bad.
Let's go with this one.
We're going to go to.
Feels good. Let's pull over right here so they can see the car. Damn, these seats right here feel like a couch.
OD.
Some stock seats. So you guys can see the car real quick before we go back.
Yo, we always do this. Take the car, go to the middle of nowhere.
Here's the car, man. Thing is clean. It's pretty. I don't know what year it's in. It's probably 96, 97, 98 because of the front. But it got the baby CTRs on. Paint is fresh. Bone stock. Engine is bone stock, so it makes no sense to show it. But yeah, this thing is nice. My man about to be a part of the Civic life. Nice wet sand, polish, buff. It'll be perfect. But it just needs, I think it needs a headline. Yeah, it just needs like a headliner and a shift link. It just, look at this. So I took off in third gear because like you can't even like, and you might need a slave in the front because it feels kind of like dead. Like when I was trying to put it in, it felt like it was kind of dead. But this thing is like, it's probably this one out here. That's the bushing that's probably bad down there. Oh yeah, it does. It has the same exhaust that I had before on my Civic. It has a vibrant. Rev it. Yeah, no smoke. Like the last car.
Damn,
Yeah, we good. You ready?
Oh yeah.
He's the official Civic owner now. Alright, let's go bring it back before you think we stole it. Alright, so it's the next day again. You guys see I did my hair already. But yeah, so today we're actually gonna go pick up the car now. He couldn't take out the money from the bank. The bank kept locking his account. So today, they were doing the same thing also. So whatever, we were able to. We managed now to get the money out. So I got the shift linkage bushing also right here that he needs. So this is for the front, and this one is for the back, where the shifter goes on to the, where the shifter is that goes up like that, and this one just goes on to the front. So this is what's loose on his, because these are the only bushings that go bad. So you gotta swap those out. And then yeah, we're gonna do another video too today. So just gonna go get the car, close out this one, and yeah, we're gonna do we're gonna do another video of teaching him how to drive stick, because he don't know how to drive stick. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I'm just waiting for him to come now. Yeah, should be good. That's it, y'all. Pass the keys. She's coming home with us. That's it. She's coming home. You hear it?
Niggas know my body.
You hear the vibrant? I think that shit went to hot mad fast. Good. My boy got the car. You hype?
Niggas know.
That shit was beeping the horn at him, so that shit by itself. You know what I think you need? You're gonna probably need too. This clutch pedal, probably because it's stopped, but it feels like a dick right now. Like it feels softer. It's probably because it's stopped. Yo, you're gonna have to connect your phone now. Let's say you got a new phone. Steering wheel's mad high.
That's one.
Steering wheel goes down like this. We out here. Ooh, in a single here.
What the fuck is that sound?
It's the brakes.
Nah, them brakes need to go.
See, everything is on you now. You have a window regulator. Damn, but this thing was so big. Look at this shit. It's crazy, bro. Is this first gear? Might be.
Yo, why you shit zooming in on his own, blood?
You holding it, probably. That's
No, I'm not.
That's a zooming button up there.
I know. That shit zoomed
You know
in
what's
on
funny?
his own.
They did that shit. It was doing that. Oh! Hold up, partner.
Slowy can't stall out.
Bro. My bad, guys. The shit. First is like over there. Look at this shit. Look at the. Show them the shifter.
Yeah.
Look at this.
That
This
shit
is the shifter.
look like a dildo.
I'm in fifth. So when I try to put it in, like I lose it because normally this is first. But with this being so soft, it's like, look at this. And I brought the bushing, so I'll jack up the car and see. Look at this. Gotta make sure we in first gear. Right. Man, she makes me have an exhaust. Can we put gas at BP?
Facts.
Only 93 now.
Oh, niggas said only 93. E48. I got an
Look,
E85.
see? That little light comes on to tell you to shift. Look. See
Oh,
it?
what the hell?
Bro, this shit feels wicked. Like, my car doesn't... I feel like I'm like this. Why? Oh, it's because of the shift. I'm shifting, like, down here. Bro, look how long these gears are. I'm in second gear just chilling. Right now, I would have probably been, like, in fourth gear on my Civic.
That shit that wants you to shift.
Yeah, that's just basically to tell you where to shift at. Get the wink mirror. This
Oh, you
mirror
talking-
is gone. Stock suspension life. We out here.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, look who it is.
Is your shit now?
This is the one that Lucas was posted.
Oh. What are you gonna do with the CRV?
Nah, this is not mine, it's his.
Oh, yours?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yo, this pedal feels crazy.
Whoop. Whoop. Need to buy some 50/50s though. These things is hella cheap.
Alright, so we're gonna close out the video here. About to take on top of Highland Park and teach them how to drive stick. Yeah, but you excited for your first build?
We out here, boy.
So you gotta put insurance on it.
Yo, what that say?
Yeah, build to enjoy.
Built to enjoy.
So we're gonna put some. Well, he gotta put insurance on it. Then you're gonna get some suspension on the way, some wheels. If you guys have a headliner for cheap, no, bro. This car is like this, bro. This came on a DX, I think. Cause look, even this came like that. I don't know, guys. I don't know too much about DXs, but look at this sunroof. Like, did it come like this with these this weird button right here?
Shit is weird. Even the little light inside looks different.
Yeah, look at this. That's how it opens, and then you just press it.
They don't even go back though.
Yeah, so I don't know. I feel like they just put this in here. Like, you can't even see that much, but see it? I don't know. Let us know, because I don't know nothing about DXs. But car is mint. It just needs a headliner. Oh, you know what we didn't check? We gotta check if it has good oil in it. It has enough oil. Alright, so we're gonna close out this video. Thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Anything curious you want to say? Stay tuned. Yeah, built to enjoy, guys. Peace.